Alright, so let's continue. Plotting point in polar coordinates. Plotting point in polar coordinates. So the first one that I showed you, the interval was what? 30 what? Degrees, or pi on what? 6. Now this one that we have here, the interval here is 15 what? Degrees. So you see from 0 to 15 degrees, 15 degrees to 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60, 75, 90, 105. You see 15 degrees. You can also check from the radian too, and you will see. I will teach you how to also get this, okay, on the calculator. And you just press and it will come. Alright? So you don't worry. When we get to the next video, we will see what to do that. That is in the sketching place. Alright. So now let's see how we can plot this point. Let's see how we can plot this point. So this is how we are going to do it. This is what we call what? This is 1. So we have at A, we have our arm to be what? 1. And our theta to be 3 pi over what? 4. So this is how we are going to do it. First, trace the 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 4. So where can we get 3 pi over 4? 3 pi over 4, where are you? So this is 3 pi over 4, which is the same as 135 degrees. So the 3 pi over 4 is the same as 135 degrees. So we know that we are here. Then you check your R. Your R is what? 1. So by first of all, let's name our R here. And when you name it here, it will apply for all. So this is going to be 1. Let's put to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to use that as our what? R. So when you are at 3 pi over 4, then you check that place. Where will be 1? We know our 1 will be, let me draw this one more. Alright, so let me do it well. So we know that, sorry, let's remove this. It will be too small. So let's ignore that small part inside here and choose this to be our 1. Alright, so now, if we have 3 over 4 pi here, 3 pi over 4 here, where will be 1? 1 will be, okay, so that means that here will be 1. On this line, 3 pi over 4 line, here will be 1. So it means our point is just right here. I always play. It means our point is just right here. So that is the A. So that is the A. Let's call this A, point B, C, and D. So that will be the point A. Now let's go to B. Okay, negative pi over 4. Negative pi on 6. So, but first of all, don't be confused. So, you know that here is what? Where is pi on 6? You first, let's assume it's positive. Here is pi on 6, right? So from 0, then you go to pi on 12. Then you go to pi on 6, which is 30 degrees. So if you are counting it downward, this is counting it upward. So to count it upward, you move how many steps before you get to pi on 6? 1, 2. That means that if you are at 0 and you are counting down, that is clockwise. You count how many times? 1, 2. So we are going to assume this here to be our negative pi over 6. So this one you see here will be the 11 over 6 pi is going to be our negative pi on 6 on the anti-clockwise direction. I hope you are getting me. I'm repeating. Pi on 6, if it's supposed to be positive, that one will be after the 0, 1, 2. So if it's negative, then after the 0, 1, 2, the same way like that. Then you check. The R is 3. So you check on 3. 1, 2, 3. That means the point B will be right here. That means here is going to be our point what? B. Beautiful, beautiful. C, 3 pi. Wow. We know that the maximum one we have here is 2 pi. So having 3 pi, how are we going to do it? Now let's check on something. 3 pi can be the same as something. Let's see. Even though we don't have 3 pi there, but let's see something. We know that if you have something like this, here is 0, here is pi, right? Here is, you can convert to degrees, but it's just in radians, so let's go. Here is pi on 2, here is 3 pi on 2 here. And this is the same as 270, 180, 90 and 0. So from here to this side, you will get what? 3 pi. Now 3 pi, let's change it to degrees and see what you get. So 3 pi times 180 over pi. What will you get? The pi will cancel. So 3 times 180. Wow. 540. So 3 pi is the same as what? 540. I want to use the idea to in degrees so that you understand me well. So we know that when you compare this, you get 540, which is the same as 3 pi. Good. So if here is 90, I want to use this 180, and here is 270. So from this side to this side, we know that here 2 will be what? 360. 360. So from this side to this side, we are getting 360. But we need what? 540. What do you need to add up to 360 in order for you to get 540? So you just take your calculator. 540 minus 360. Oh, that is 180. Then that means that you have to move another 180. So when you move 180, you know here at what? 360. Sorry, 540. I hope you are getting me. So if here is 360 and you need 180 to add to 360 in order for you to get 540, then this one will be the same as 540. What we are saying is that to move from this side to this is 360. Then you move another 180 to it. That means this one will give you what? 540. So to be at the pi is the same as 540. Beautiful. So you just come to the pi because you know the pi is the same as what? 540. And 540 in radians is 3 pi. So the 3 pi is the same as what? Sorry? The 540 is the same as 3 pi. So just stand at pi. Pi. Alright, so at pi, what is the R there? It's 3. So you go and check 3. Alright, that means that 1, 2, 3. Oh, that means the point is just right here, so that will be C. Please, I hope you are getting me. Even though we don't have 3 pi there, but we can see that 3 pi is the same as 540. And when you go one revolution, you get what? 360. And after that, you need 180 to add to what? 360 in order for you to get 540, which is the same as what? Pi. So you can be there like that. So that's it. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now, let's go to the last one, the D. Pi on 4. Oh, so what is pi on 4? This is pi on 4, which is the same as what? 450. 45 degrees. Alright. So, at pi on 4, what is R? R is negative 4. So here R is negative. That means there's going to be the reflection. I hope you haven't forgotten. So, even though here is pi on what? 4. But, since therefore the R is being negative, you change the reflection of this. From your graph, you will see it well. But from my free sketch, it seems I'm finding it difficult to find it. But I will try and find it. Alright? So let's see. Okay. Okay. So that means that if I'm at 90 degrees and 0, after counting 2, I'll get what? Pi of 4. So I'll just count the pi and the 270 here. So after counting 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, sorry, okay. So after counting 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, so then the pi is here. So the reflection of the pi on 4 is this. You see the reflection? So this is where you are going to check. So if it's negative 4, you cannot let the point be here, but you trace the reflection. That means the point will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point will be here. So that will be D. I hope you are getting me right. From your graph, you will see it well. Alright? Good. So that's how we do plotting of polar coordinates. Is there any question? If you have any question, you can ask. So you try this one for me. Try this one. Try this one for me. 2, 7 pi over 3 to be P. Kill. Negative 2 pi over 3. So how will you do this? How will you plot this on the plane? How will you plot this? Alright, so now let's see. 7 pi over 3. Where is 7 pi over 3? 7 pi. Where are you? So 7 pi over 3. Let's compare to degree and see. 7 pi over 3. Alright? Times 180 over pi. Oh, that is 420 degrees. So 7 pi over 3 is 420 what? Degrees. That's why you can see it here. Then let's see. So you do something like this, right? And you know from here to here is how many? That is one what? Revolution. And one revolution is what? 360. But we want to get to 420. So 360 minus 420. 60. That means that you need 60 to add to 360 in order for you to get to what? In order for you to get to what? 5 what? 40. Sorry. So that means that you need 60 to add to what? 360. So 60 plus 360 will give you 420. So that is what you need to add up. I hope you are getting me. So we have to move 60. So let's say here is 60 degrees. So you move up to here. So for you to be at 60 degrees will be the same as 420 what? Degrees. I hope you are getting me. Will be the same as 420 degrees. And the 60 the same as pi over 3. That means that 7 pi on 3 is the same as pi on what? 3. So you just check. Your R is what? 2. So you just count 1, 2. So it means the point is just right here. I hope it's clear.